This body point. Doctors should know. Nearly 76 million people suffer from chronic pain in the United States. According to the American Academy of Pain Medicine, chronic pain may be caused by headaches, low back pain, arthritis, cancer and nerve damage, among other health problems. Many of these diseases are very serious and can put a person in so much pain to be debilitating. Acupressure is one of the oldest alternative therapies. Acupressure points can be used to improve many aspects of life. Depending on the physical response you want to achieve, you can apply either firm pressure, slow and circular massage or stronger friction to stimulate the point. To apply pressure, you can use your fingers, knuckles, palm, or thumbs. We are here to discuss traditional Chinese medicine and how this ancient treatment system approaches pain management without the use of medication. Perhaps you are more familiar with the ancient art of acupuncture, where experienced practitioners are bedding thin needles on the skin to stimulate different systems in the body. You can get a similar effect of acupuncture at home with acupressure. Pressure on these points releases endorphins and relieves pain. To find this point, place your fingers under the collarbone. Press firmly and rub. Hold for 2 minutes slowly and breathe deeply. Repeat this exercise 3-5 times a day for regular pain management. With this pressure you can relieve a high number of pains in various parts of the body. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.